my name is Jill Werness. I'm a certified health coach and a Plexus ambassador, and I'm here today to talk to you about our all-natural, vegetarian-based meal replacement, Lean. Lean comes in a chocolate mocha flavoring, and this can really help aid your weight loss goals and help to control hunger. So there's 20 grams of protein packed into each serving of Lean, and you're also going to get 7 grams of beneficial prebiotic fiber for your body. It's going to help with that good, healthy bacteria in your body to flourish and to grow. It is GMO, dairy, gluten, soy-free. It's actually a pea-based protein. And so if you need something easy to just grab on the go, a quick breakfast or a quick lunch that helps really to reduce your hunger, helps you to feel full and satisfied, Lean is going to be your go-to. What I also love about it is the heart of this company. So for every serving sold of Lean, Plexus is donating a meal to Feeding America to help those in crisis who are hungry in America. With our company, our president says, if you're blessed, you should be a blessing, and I love the heart that they are willing to give back. So if you're looking for a plant-based protein, something to help you control those hunger pangs early in the morning, mid-afternoon, then Lean is going to be your go-to.